Students, today we will begin with chapter number 3, A Trip to Bhopal, page number 23. Today, Sugandha is very excited. All the children of her school are going on a trip to Bhopal with teachers. Miss Meenakshi and Mr. Rakesh are talking about the number of buses needed. A girl named Sugandha is very excited because they all are going to a trip to Bhopal, and the teachers are Miss Meenakshi and Mr. Rakesh, and they are talking about number of bus needed. Miss Meenakshi said we will need 4 buses. Mr. Rakesh said I think we need at least 5 buses. Miss Meenakshi, each bus has 50 seats. Mr. Rakesh, let us see how many children are going. See, now they are discussing about number of bus that will be needed. In class 1, so what they will do, they are counting total number of students, and one bus has capacity of 50 seats. Now number of students in first class are 33, in second class 32, in third class 42, in fourth class 50, and in fifth class 53. Now we have to do total of all this. So 3 plus 2 will be 5, 5 plus 2 will be 7, and 7 plus 3 will be 10. So 0 down and 1 carry over. 3 plus 1 will be 4, 4 plus 3 will be 7, 7 plus 4 will be 11, 11 plus 5 will be 16, and 16 plus 5 will be 21. So total number of students that are going are 210. So there are total of dash children going. How many children are going? So they are 210. If they get 4 buses, how many children will get seats? See, what is the question? If they get 4 buses, how many children will get the seats? So total number of students are 210, and one bus has capacity of 50 seats. So 50 seats into 4, because they are taking 4 bus. So 50 multiplied by 4. 4 zeros are 0 and 5 fours are 20. So if they take 4 buses, they will 200 children will get the seats. Next question, will there be any children left without seat? So answer will be yes. There how many children will be left without seat? So total number of children minus number of children getting seats. So 210 minus 200. 0 minus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 0 will be 1, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. So 10 children will not get seat. The answer to last question will be yes. For just a few children, we can't get another bus. We can share seats. See what they are discussing. For only 10 students, we can't get another bus because another bus has the capacity of 50 seats, and we have only 10 children who are not getting the seats. So what we can do? We can share the seats. Page number 24. Waiting for the buses. Sahiba jumps out of the line to see if the buses are coming. She shouts loudly, "Hey, I can see them. Run, grab the window seats." Many children started jumping in excitement, but see, here you can see picture of students waiting for the bus to come. So one girl shouted loudly that I can see the bus. Now let us go to the bus and let us take the window seat. Many children started jumping by hearing this, but stop, what is this? These buses are small. What happened? They have ordered bigger buses with 50 capacity, and now they are getting smaller buses. In smaller buses, seat capacity will be less. Now there is an argument. We told you to bring big buses. We did not have enough big buses, so we got many mini buses. Now what they did, the bus people didn't have big buses, so they brought all the mini buses they had. each minibus can take 35 students. How many students? 35. How many minibuses are needed? Let us see. If one bus can take 35 students, how many minibuses are needed for 210 students? So we will do division. 210 divided by 35. See, unit digit of both the numbers are 0 and 5. Both these numbers come in the table of 5. So we have to do division. If we divide 210 with 5 and 35 with 5, let us see what we will get. 35 divided by 5 gives us 7, and 210 divided by 5 gives us 42. Now if we divide 42 with 7, we will get 6. So 6 will be the answer. We will need 6 minibuses. Now let us do division with easy method. See, 35 ones are 35, 35 twos are, let us multiply. 35 twos are, 5 twos are 10, 0 down, 1 carry, 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7, 70. 35 threes are. So 5 threes are 15, 5 down, 1 carry, 3 threes are 9 plus 1 10. Still it is a smaller number than 210. Let us find out. 35 multiplied by 4. 5 fours are 20, 0 down, 2 carry, 4 threes are 12, 13 and 14, 140. 35 fives are. 5 fives are 25, 5 down, 2 carry. 5 threes are 15, 16 and 17, 175, and 35 6 are. 6 5s are 30, 0 down, 3 carry. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20 and 21. 35 6 gives us 210. So we will write 6 over here, 210 over here, and answer will be 6. You can do division with both the methods, but you will get same answer. So they will need 6 mini buses. Page number 25. The journey begins. As the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. Indra, when will we reach Bhopal? Miss Asha, if we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around dash o'clock. See, now the journey begins. They have all settled down in buses and the bus has started moving. Now a girl named Indra asked question to her miss that in what time we will reach Bhopal. So Miss Asha answers that if we don't stop anywhere, it will take 2 hours to reach Bhopal. Now at what time they had begun the journey? So that is written over here. Come on now, get in fast. It's already 9 o'clock. They had begun journey at 9 o'clock. So they will reach in 2 hours at Bhopal. 9 plus 2 will be 11. So 11 o'clock will be the answer. Next, Manjit. Is it very far? Mr. Bhimsen, it is about 70 km. Ruby, are we going to stop anywhere? Mr. Rakesh, maybe at Bhimbetka about 50 km from here. Now Manjit asks, is it very far? So Mr. Bhimsen answers that it is about 70 kilometers. Ruby asks, are we going to stop anywhere? Then Mr. Rakesh answers that we will stop at Bhimbetka and it is about 50 km from here. If they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there before 10 o'clock, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, or after 11 o'clock. So answer will be between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Why? Because it is about 50 kilometers from there, and generally it takes 1 minute to cover 1 kilometer. So 50 minutes is equal to 50 kilometer. So we are taking into consideration 1 hour. So they have started their journey at 9 o'clock and they might reach Bhimbetka between 10 and 11 o'clock. As they are talking, Bahadur shouts, "Hey, look at Narmada. Everyone look out of the windows. Ruby, wow, it is so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide it is. When they all were talking and discussing, a student named Bahadur shouts, "There is a Narmada river." You can see Narmada river in the picture given over here. Everyone looks out of the window. Now Ruby says, "It is so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide it is." Page number 26. Gopi, 100 meters? No, it is much more. Can't say. Victoria, it must be more than half a kilometer. Miss Asha, look, it is written. The bridge is 756.82 meters long. So we can guess that Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. Now everyone started guessing what would be the length and width of Narmada river. Miss Asha answers to all these queries that here it is written bridges of 756.82 meters long. So its width will be 500 meters. Was Victoria right? Victoria said that it must be more than half a kilometer. More than half a kilometer. In 1 kilometer, see, in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meters. So 500 meters will be 0.5 kilometer. So Victoria guessed that it is more than half a kilometer. So Victoria was right. Sadaf, I just can't imagine 500 meters. Miss Asha, see, our bus is about 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. See, now Miss Asha says, see, our bus is 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in this line. What is the length of bridge? 756.82 meters. We have to divide it with 5. Why? Because one bus is 5 meter long. Let us divide 75682 divide by 5. 5 ones will be 5. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 2 and 5 down. 25. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. So 5 5s will be 25. 25 minus 25 will be 0. Now taking this 6 downward. 6 doesn't come in the table of 5. So this will be 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 will be 1. Now we have to take 18. 8 downward. So this will be 18. 18 does not come in the table of 5. So we have to find out a number less than 18, which is 15. 5 3s will be 15. 8 minus 5 will be 3 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now 2 down. 32. 32 again does not come in the table of 5. So we have to divide it with so we have to find a number less than 32, which will be 30. 6 5s gives us 30. Sorry. 2 minus 0 will be 2 and 3 minus 3 will be 0. Now 2 is a number less than 5, so we cannot divide it with 5. Now what will be the answer? See, here we had point and the point is before two numbers starting from the left. So what we will do? We will put point before two numbers starting from the right. Sorry, not from the left, starting from the right. So around 151 buses can stand in this narrow bridge. Have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long it was? Now the question is, have you ever crossed a long bridge? How many meters long it was? So answer will be, the bridge was about 756.82 kilometers long. Next one, everyone looks down at the river. Mr. Rakesh, the water level now is quite low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. Miss Asha, but in rainy season the water had risen. Then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. Now they are talking about water level of the river. Presently water level is 40 meters below the bridge, but in rainy season it was just about 50 meters below the bridge. Next one, what is the difference between water level of Narmada in rainy season and now? So what we have to do, as the term given over here is difference, we have to do subtraction. We have to subtract 40 minus 50. So this will go like this, 40 minus 15. 0 cannot be subtracted, 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So 0 cut 10 and 4 cut 3. 10 minus 5 will be 5 and 3 minus 1 will be 2. So 25 will be the answer. The children discuss about the river for some time. Now the children were discussing about the river. Now page number 27. Suddenly the bus stops with a jerk. Jerk means jhatko lagna. Bus stops with a jerk. Oh, the petrol pump. 2 buses needed to be refilled. It means now the petrol is over in 2 buses, so we need to refill the petrol in buses. The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. Some children have got down to look more closely. See, here you can see that there is a bus. Some children are looking from the window how the petrol is being filled or how the diesel is being filled, and there are few children who are getting there are few children who are getting downward to see more closely. Now question is, each bus takes 15 minutes to refill and there are 2 buses to be refilled. Now there are one bus is taking 15 minutes to refill and we have 2 bus that needs to be refilled. So what we will do, we will multiply 15 with 2. So 15 into 2. We also know the table of 15. So 15 twos will be 30. So 30 will be the answer. So they stopped there for about 30 minutes, which means they are late by about 30 minutes. Now as they have consumed 30 minutes time, now they are late by 30 minutes. Hey, it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 1000 liters. Petrol over here some student says that it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liters. So we have to pay 5500 rupees for a diesel. Look in the picture and find 1 liter of diesel. Find the price of 1 liter of diesel. Here you can see 100 liters of petrol is filled and total price is 5500. So we have to find a price of 1 liter petrol. For that what we will do? We will do division. 5500 divided by 100. See, over here we have 2 zeros and over here we have 2 zeros. So 0 0 will be cut and answer will be 55. Likewise, you can do division with the help of previous method also. See, 100 ones are 100, so 100 fives are will be 500. Now what we have? 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 5 minus 5 will be 0. Now 0 down. Again we have 500. So 100 fives are 500. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 5 minus 5 will be 0. So answer will be 55. Price of 1 liter petrol is 55 rupees. As the buses are being refilled, some children go to toilet near the petrol pump. How much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? Aman has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus has taken to refill. It means time taken by Aman and time taken by bus are same. So bus has taken 15 minutes. Bus has taken 15 minutes to refill. So Aman has taken 15 minutes to come out of the toilet. So answer will be 15 minutes.